Hello everyone, welcome to Eating the Alphabet. I'm Miss Jessie from the Albert Einstein Medical Center, your fun, eat right Philly health educator. I am very excited to be here today. Today we're going to learn about a type of cheese called Edam Cheese. E is for Edam Cheese. Edam cheese is just one of many types of cheese that there are. Does anyone know the name of another type of cheese? Great job! Swiss, Brie, American, and mozzarella are a few of the different names of cheese.
Yum!
Edam cheese is sold in the shape of a sphere and covered in wax that is black, yellow, or red. The wax is used to protect the part of the cheese that we eat. We don't eat the wax, just the cheese inside the wax. What color is the wax used to protect the Edam cheese in the picture? Right, it's red. And what is the shape of this cheese? The answer is sphere. Great job and keep listening. Edam cheese is a type of cheese. All cheese is in the dairy group of my plate, which is colored blue in the picture. We know that it's a dairy food because it's made from milk. The picture on the right shows all types of dairy products that are all very tasty. Can anyone point to the Edam cheese? Great job! What other foods do you see in the picture? I see milk, yogurt, and cheese. All foods that are made from milk and go in the dairy group. Unlike most dairy products, Edam cheese does not need to be refrigerated when it has the wax on it. Once the wax is removed, this type of cheese must stay in the refrigerator to make sure it stays fresh. Which cheese in the picture needs to go into the refrigerator? The red one or the white one? Right! The white one doesn't have wax and needs to go into the refrigerator. Now, can anyone tell us how cheese is made? I'll give you a hint. It is made from the milk of an animal that lives on a farm. It's made from the milk of the cow. Edam cheese is both tasty and nutritious. Cheese has calcium in it. Calcium is good for 3 parts of our body: the bones, the heart, and the teeth. It helps all 3 stay strong so that we can stay healthy. There are many ways that we can eat Edam cheese. You can have it as a snack and have it with crackers or meat. Or you can have it as a meal and add it to your favorite dishes or sandwiches. What are some ways you like to eat cheese? I like to put cheese on my sandwiches with crackers and on top of broccoli. You can eat cheese cold or you can heat it up. What happens to cheese when you heat it? That's right, it melts. Another tasty way to eat Edam cheese is by heating it up and melting it, just like how we make grilled cheese. Now let's try and remember all the things we learned about Edam cheese. Edam cheese is filled with calcium. Can you remember what parts of the body it was good for? If you said the bones, the heart, and teeth, you are right. Edam cheese helps these 3 areas stay healthy and strong. Now that we know the 3 parts, can you tell us what part of the body Edam cheese helps to pump? It is the heart. Great job! Does Edam cheese need to be refrigerated? With the wax on it, does not need to be. But once we take the wax off, it does. Because we need to keep it cold to make sure it stays fresh longer. Can we eat Edam cheese? We can eat it whenever. It makes a great snack and a great part of any meal. What do we need to do before we touch our food? We need to always wash our hands before cooking or eating. This is very important so that we can avoid germs and stay healthy. Great job! And the last question is, what is your favorite way to eat cheese? Mine is to add it to my favorite sandwich. I hope that you learned a lot today about Edam cheese. I had so much fun teaching you. I hope you find some fun ways to add it to your favorite meals. See you next time.